It's the beginning of a brand new day. And every new day begins with sunshine. What's sunshine? It's a whole new way to shed light on the things that interest you. Sunshine is a way to connect with people interested in natural health, people that can help you with your business, people like you. Sunshine is also full of resources, from readings and blogs to videos and forums. It's got everything you want to know, and it's gonna keep growing. Nature's Sunshine succeeds because we use the best ingredients. And with Sunshine, the key ingredient is you. Because Sunshine isn't just a website, it's a place where you can talk back, have a conversation, and work with friends. And it's completely free to members of Nature's Sunshine. It's also a place where you can earn badges and recognition and receive valuable offers from NSP. Nature's Sunshine will actually reward you for how you improve and help build this community. With Sunshine, we all succeed together. Start by filling out your profile. When you fill out your profile and complete the first few steps, you'll receive your first badge. As you continue to pursue things that interest you, you can earn other badges and unlock offers and discounts from Nature's Sunshine. After you fill out your profile, check out a video from the recommended list or download a document straight to your computer. No more waiting by the mailbox for you. You can even share the videos from the public page with anyone you want, even if they aren't members of Nature's Sunshine. At least not yet anyway. Most companies send out a simple pamphlet to get you started, a simple text. With Sunshine, not only will you have an online school to teach you, but you'll also have a campus where you can hang out, meet others, and find answers to your questions. And in the forums, you can join discussions or start your own on any topic that interests you. You can create your own learning environment. When you find something that you like, you can shine on the topic. And when other people like what you have to say, they can shine on you. That way, you can instantly tell which posts are useful and which people are trusted parts of the Sunshine community. You too can earn shines and achievements by providing helpful posts and contributing to the community. Nature's Sunshine was the first company to encapsulate natural herbs, and now we're the first to build an exclusive online campus so we can all learn together. Sunshine at nspsunshine.com. It's easy, it's fun, and it's free. It's the beginning of a new day with Nature's Sunshine. You found what you're looking for.